Hey there, it's Kimberly Lucht, and I'm a business coach, energy healer, and dance guide for entrepreneurs who want to make more money and magic doing what they love. And so if that sounds like you, you're in the right place. And today we're going to be doing a guided meditation for presence. And so if you've been feeling ungrounded, unrooted, or otherwise just want to embody and deepen into presence more, this is going to be perfect for you. I want you to start by rolling the shoulders up and back and really just getting into the body. Maybe closing your eyes as you do this and just noticing how it feels to get into your vessel, your body, maybe for the first time today or the first time in hours if you sit at a desk. Breathing in as you shrug your shoulders up and then exhaling as you shrug them down, going as slow or as fast as you want. Just really tuning into any energy or any sensation that you're noticing in your body. Really good, and just finding stillness here and noticing how it feels to deepen into the seat that you're in. Noticing how it feels to maybe rock a little back and forth. Finding your sit bones and really gently softening into them and noticing how it feels to root down. And then when you feel complete with those rocks, you find stillness once again. And I want you to imagine a cord shooting out from your head and also out from your pelvis. So it's kind of lengthening string or cord throughout the whole torso of the body, making you come up towards the sky, but also grounding you down into the earth. And so really noticing how it feels to open up to a little bit of that lengthening of that energetic string, that energetic cord that lives within, connecting you to both the ground and the sky. Taking a deep breath here, noticing how on the inhale you might lengthen a little bit more up towards the sky. And then exhaling, deepening into the root of the body, sinking down a little bit. Inhaling and reaching up. Exhaling down towards the root of the body. And finding the sensation of touch with your hands. And so notice where your hands are right now, becoming present to wherever your hands are. If they're on the kneecaps or the thighs or maybe the chest or the stomach, just pressing into your body, becoming present to that pressure. Inhaling that in and then letting it go, releasing the pressure. A few more rounds like that, inhaling and pressing down. Releasing your grip, releasing the breath. 3 more times just like that, inhaling, pushing down, pressing down, and then exhaling, loosening and softening that grip. Twice more just like that. Once more. Pressing as much as you can, maybe holding at the top, and then releasing the grip, releasing the breath. Really good. So we just tuned into the sense of touch, and I want you to gently start inhaling through the nose and seeing if you can smell anything around you that you notice. Nice, gentle, natural breathing. Just noticing any smells or scents around you. Becoming present to any sensation, any smell, sense coming in through the nose and out. A few more like that. Out. Once more. And out. Really good. And now I want you to taste the inside of your mouth and just notice how it feels to taste your mouth. Maybe you just ate a meal, maybe you just had some tea or some coffee or water. Swivel the tongue around your mouth. Notice what tastes are here right now. Breathing as you do this, and maybe you taste your lips, your teeth, the roof of your mouth. Notice what is coming through on the tip of your tongue. What are you perceiving? What are you present to right now? Natural breath as you move around the mouth a little bit more, activating your taste buds. And if there's no taste, just noticing that as well. One more breath here. Nice, and gently starting to perk up your ears and notice what you hear around you. My voice, maybe some background noise, maybe there's something else going on around you. Just notice how it feels to really tune in to sounds around you in your space. Maybe it's the wind outside, maybe it's the gentle creak of the building walls that you're in, maybe it's some laughter or conversation happening in the background. Just noticing how it feels to hear and listen fully, with full presence. Seeing how it feels for your ears to open up maybe just a little bit more. And one more breath here. Beautiful. And so gently starting to come into the fifth sense, which is sight. You're going to gently open your eyes to the room. And you're going to start to take in the room around you. Maybe there's a blue sky in front of you. Maybe there's some water around you, maybe flowers, or maybe colors or textures, fabrics. Notice what is visually around you and just take it in, maybe even circling the head and the eyes around the room a few times, dipping your chin down to the floor, then to the left or the right, up and around to the other side, and back down again, noticing the circumference of your full present eyesight and taking in any visual information that maybe you don't pay attention to fully and completely on a day-to-day basis. Maybe taking the neck and the head around the other way and seeing if you can open and extend and expand that vision and that viewpoint a little bit more, noticing what you notice around you. And when you feel complete with that, you're going to come back into the center and join me back here in the room. Thank you so much for meditating with me today. I hope you feel grounded, present, and connected to your body and also your environment where you find yourself right now. If you want more beautiful meditations from me, I invite you to hit subscribe on this channel so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you want these videos to go straight into your inbox every single week, click the link below to get on my email list. You get some free welcome gifts on the inside, and it's such an inbox party. I often hear people say I send the best emails. I definitely don't hold anything back. I'm very honest, and you get really beautiful, juicy meditations like this, business guidance, and even some somatic meditations. So I hope that you will join me on the inside, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.